Welcome back, savvy investors. Today we are going to dive into the secret world of generating monthly rental income through the stock markets. Yes, you heard it right. Monthly rental income not from real estate but from stocks. I'm your host, financial thinker. This is the channel where we unlock financial success together. Before we unveil these income generating stocks, let me clarify how this works. Just like real estate, investors earn rental income by leasing properties to tenants. You can create a similar income stream through dividend paying stocks. Dividends are regular cash payment company make to their shareholder, and some companies pay them out monthly. Our first stock is ABC Corporation, ticker symbol ABC, known for its stable revenue and consistent growth. ABC is an industry leader with a strong dividend history. They have a business model that allow them to pay dividends monthly, making it an ideal choice for generating steady cash flow. Next up, we have XYZ Income, ticker symbol XYZ. This company operates in a recession-resistant sector and has a track record of increasing dividends year after year. With their commitment to shareholder value, they have adopted a monthly dividend policy, making them an attractive option for monthly income seekers. Now, let's talk about PQR Limited, ticker symbol PQR. This lesser known gems offer a relatively high dividend yield and has recently transitioned to monthly payout. As the company grows, the dividend may increase, potentially boosting your monthly rental income. Moving to LMN Company, ticker symbol LMN, known for its consistent earning growth. LMN has a strong cash flow that supports its monthly dividend program. This company's reliable performance could contribute to a steady monthly income stream for you. Our fifth stock is EFG Enterprise, ticker symbol EFG. The multinational corporation has a global presence, allowing it to weather economic storms and maintain dividend stability. With their recently implemented monthly dividend plan, EFG is a potential addition to your income generating portfolio. Next up, we have RST Income, ticker symbol RST. As a reputable dividend stroke, RST has increased its dividend for over 25 consecutive years. Now, with their switch to a monthly payout structure, it's time to consider the long-term income generator. The last but not least, we have GHI Group, ticker symbol GHI, known for its innovative product and loyal customer base. GHI generates stable cash flow that allow them to sustain their monthly dividend program. This could be an excellent addition to your monthly rental income strategy. There you have it, folks, the secret generating monthly rental income through stocks. Remember, tough as with any investment, it's crucial to do your own research and consider your risk tolerance before investing. While these stocks offer the potential for monthly dividends, they are subject to market fluctuation. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel and ring the notification bell to stay updated on our latest financial tips. Until next time, happy investing.